Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account inside of Dootchi AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to go to your Player App Store, make sure you've downloaded and installed Dootchi. Then from here, go ahead and open up for the first time. Now, once we open it up, it's going to say, welcome to Dootchi, accept and continue. Now we're on the main interface of the app. But what we need to do here is click on this little icon. So the bottom right hand corner looks like a TV with a smile. Now, the top of the page, you're going to start off as a guest with some random numbers and letters. So go ahead and click on login. So when you click on login, it's going to allow you to create an account or sign up with your email account or Google account. So we've got the option to sign up with your email address or continue with Google. I'm going to continue with my Google account. Now I've chosen my correct account I want to sign up to. Then from here, it's going to say guest, still my character. But from here, we want to click on the pencil icon. Now we can go ahead and rename your character. So I'm going to call mine Tutorial Wiz. Also going to create mail. We can write a short bio. So add in a bio here and then go ahead and click on save. And that's how to create an account inside of Dootchi AI.